10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds.
I just pumped up. That was the worst thing I've done.
Fuck, dude. He's right there in race.
He doesn't know that.
No, he doesn't know that.
Yeah, he doesn't know that.
Oh, true.
No.
You should have been quiet.
That's fine. Yeah, you're recording this, right?
Yeah, right.
Like, backhand somebody. Just fucking look over your bunker. Dave, don't get hit. Turn around and shoot.
He knows he's there now.
Do that one.
Now he definitely knows he's there. Fuck.
Dave.
He's gone. He's gone. Fuck. Come to pod.
Who do we have left?
Just one. Oh, fuck. Watch out, ref.
Don't get hit. Come on, don't get hit.
Stand up.
Do we have a win on them or no?
Wait, do you know what team this is?
I don't. We got we got somebody in back left. I didn't
We
know
have to
that.
win like every game. I'm pretty sure.
We got him. Yes. No?
Oh, you saw the ref. I thought you were quiet. Pretty sure. What's he doing? Oh, he walked out of bounds.
He got out for walking out? Yeah.
Next 2.
Yo, Hill. What happened?
Double done. These guys go
Your
in,
pack.
another group goes on, and then we're on after that group that goes in after these people go on. Are we playing? Have it green.
No, that hit doesn't make sense though.
Yeah, what